What Gold IRA investors must know for the long term with 400k investment. Investing in a Gold IRA provides a strong safeguard against economic instability, but careful planning is essential for maximizing returns. With a $400,000 investment, investors must consider tax implications, growth strategies, and ongoing adjustments to ensure financial stability and risk management. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Tax implications of a $400,000 Gold IRA. 1. Traditional versus Roth Gold IRA. A traditional Gold IRA offers tax-deferred growth but is taxed upon withdrawal. A Roth Gold IRA requires after-tax contributions but allows tax-free withdrawals. 2. Required minimum distributions, RMDs. Traditional IRAs require RMDs at age 73, which are taxed as income. Roth IRAs do not have RMDs, allowing gold to grow tax-free. 3. Early withdrawal penalties. Withdrawing before age 59.5 results in a 10% penalty plus income tax unless an exemption applies. 4. Gold sale taxation. The IRS taxes gold sales outside an IRA at a maximum of 28%, but gains within an IRA are either tax-deferred or tax-free, depending on the account type. Strategies for growing a Gold IRA. 1. Diversify with other metals. Adding silver, platinum, and palladium helps balance risks tied to gold price fluctuations. 2. Use dollar cost averaging, DCA. Buying gold gradually reduces exposure to price swings. 3. Include gold ETFs and mining stocks. Holding these in taxable accounts can improve liquidity and returns. 4. Hedge against inflation. Gold preserves value against currency devaluation and inflation. Monitoring and adjusting your Gold IRA. 1. Regular portfolio rebalancing. Adjust holdings yearly to maintain risk-adjusted returns. 2. Assess custodian and storage fees. High costs can erode gains, so choose a low-cost, IRS-approved custodian. 3. Track economic trends. Watching inflation rates and Federal Reserve policies helps with timely adjustments. 4. Plan an exit strategy. Converting some gold to dividend assets or shifting from a traditional to Roth IRA can enhance retirement income. A $400,000 Gold IRA offers stability, but success requires careful planning. By managing taxes, diversifying, and making regular adjustments, investors can secure their wealth and benefit from gold's long-term value. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.